Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create an account on Snapchat. So select sign up here, enter your first and last name. You can or can't, it's optional if you don't want to add in your last name. Select continue and type in, select a birthday. I'm just going to randomly select a birth date. Select continue. And here, if you don't like your username, this is I think just based not really on your birthday, but it's like really randomized. Change your username, and here you can kind of like refresh it. Kiana, there. I think it's too long. Oh, here, Kiana 2024. Why not? So continue, set a password, and I think it's going to ask for your email, and that's how you can create an account on Snapchat. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!